Dana, what made that picture extra cool but also a little eerie was how dark the sky was in it, because we just can't escape these clouds. But you're telling me there's some hope tomorrow.
Yeah, I think that tomorrow is going to be the best day of the week. Now, the bar is a little bit low, but I think overall it'll still be a half decent day. But the weekend takes a turn from the worst rather quickly, unfortunately. We've got lots of rain coming in for the weekend, but each day this week has gotten progressively better, so that's always something to look forward to. Today, Eastern Maine especially got in to see some sunshine this morning. Western Maine started off with some cloud cover, which did increase throughout the day, with the exception of Northern Maine getting to see some sunshine in the afternoon. So not a bad day, just a little bit on the cloudier side. We did have some showers earlier that popped up in the mountains, but right now those have cleared out, and we're going to stay dry until Friday, where things are going to get a little bit rainy for the weekend. High temperatures today, though, nothing to write home about. Pretty average for this time of year. Upper 50s, lower 60s towards the coast, and low to mid 50s inland. So now tomorrow is going to be the nicest day because we have a ridge of high pressure setting up, so that's going to give us the brightest and driest weather of the week, the warmest as well. But we do have a system lurking in the Ohio Valley that's going to come in for the Friday and for the weekend, which unfortunately is going to give us a pretty wet weekend, especially Saturday. I think it's going to be raining for most of the day there. And then once this system moves out, the air is going to turn out of the north, and we're going to start the week on the chilly side. So we're going to start the week a little bit drier, but we have to get through the weekend first. So tomorrow, though, I think is definitely going to be the nicest day. This model here was a little overzealous for the amount of clear skies that we are going to be seeing. So we do have some more cloud cover for overnight tonight. That will insulate us a little bit, won't allow temperatures to drop as far. Thursday, a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day. Definitely the driest day of the week, but then we head into Friday, increase in clouds in the morning. And then I think the showers will start to move in for most of us around noon. Some breaks throughout the day on Friday, but overall it's going to be rainy once we get into the afternoon. And then Saturday is when we're going to start seeing our heaviest rain. I don't think it's going to be consistently raining all day, but it's still going to be a little bit on the dreary side. I think we might be able to escape with a little bit of Sunday as well. The models here aren't in great agreement. The European model has some more downsloping, which allows us to have some drier air. However, the American model has another trough that moves through that gives us a wetter Sunday. Overall, I think we could see some clearing on Sunday, but overall not a lot. One thing that is going to be there on Sunday, though, definitely the wind, especially in western Maine, could see gusts up to 30 miles per hour. And the amount of rain that we're looking at, about an inch to an inch and a half. So there's a slight chance of flooding, but overall not enough rain to cause a lot of flooding. So marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, some gusty winds as well. And then for our 7-day forecast, if you've been saving a walk outside, I would recommend tomorrow would be the best day to do it. Temps in the upper 60s, driest and sunniest day of the week. Friday, we start off with some increase in clouds, and then showers come in for the afternoon. Saturday is going to be raining for most of the day. I don't want to say it's a total washout, but it's not going to be a great day out there. Sunday, I think we could get some drying out in the afternoon, but the winds are really going to pick up that day as well. And then Monday, we start off on the cool side. Temps only in the lower 50s, but we do get some more sunshine in there. So Zach, outside activities for tomorrow, but the weekend, yet another rainy weekend.
Wow. All right, Dan. Thanks so much.